This is just a random video. Okay. One sec. Where's my... I hear the sound. Make sure my microphone's not too high. So today is just a random video of me trying... Where the heck did I go? 3D Doritos for the first time. Also, can I show them my cat, the new one? Cool. I'm also going to show you my new cat. But first, Dorito. I don't know why I'm making this video. Ah, something just went in my eye. Ow. Oh my god. They're literally 3D, man. They're like actually bulgy. Super good. Chili cheese nacho. A little bit spicy. Not bad though. Now, for the cat. Jeff, walk by the computer. Look towards the front door. We don't want you getting your face reveal done.
What's on the counter?
I have no idea. Now, there you were. I have returned with a cat. So this is my new cat. Her name is Lucy. As you can see, she's a nice little cute little kitty with a couple of spots. Maybe a little bit, just a little bit on the back. And she has a stubby tail. She doesn't have a tail, which makes her super cute too. I actually just got this cat today. She will stare into your soul forever and you will be happy because she is so cute. Well, now I'm going to go put her back in her room so that you can, use the restroom, eat, and drink. Bye-bye.
Arrivederci.
And that's it for today's video. I know this video was pretty weird and probably not going to get any views, but who cares? Have a nice day.